Okay, this one we're gonna start at this temple right here. So there's I don't know what this temple is all about, but across from it is this pastel greenish, quite long building, and I'm not sure what that one's about either. And let me see if we can look in there a little bit. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, I don't know. The gate is down too, so I guess what we'll do is we'll let's see if we can walk across, and then we'll take a look at it from that side. So we're gonna run across here, and then this one says Mesquita 55. So I don't know what that means either. Exhibition, okay. So there's some kind of exhibition museum kind of thing. And that's our other temple, so now you can see it in better context from this side. And I don't know how you would get in that one either. It looks like there's a gate to get into it, or there's a back way to get into it. So we're kind of walking along this kind of cool looking building, which is pretty similar to this other pastel blue building way down there that we took a video of that earlier. And now we have another one, so I don't know the story about these, but it's like a nice courtyard, some interesting trees like this one, natty trees. Oh, actually that one is kind of a cool image right there. That tree with this building is really amazing. So yeah, I don't know. That's a pretty cool looking space though. Here's the Institute of and then this one looks like it's like private property, so there's like a large courtyard, and this one has a small one, this one has a small one, so these look like they're maybe a little bit more private in some way. Camera for it as well. So I don't know. I guess there's like kind of a backyard as well. And you got more. So this one looks like a little private residence. So yeah, I don't know. I didn't know any of these things were here before. We're gonna keep filming, so actually the camera died, so what I'm gonna do is go back to this one, and we're gonna look back at this green building again. But this one looks kind of cool. There's like a little bird thing right there, and just a beautiful looking house with a garage. So I don't know, this is like some kind of historical value, but it looks like it's like maybe partially well, here it is. Well, it's the same thing, so I guess partially it's looks like little private residences around the corner, so maybe the caretaker would live in that space. I don't know. Anyways, that's basically this whole little thing. So we're just gonna capture it right here. There you go, little corner of Macau. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.